What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be looking at some interesting tools. Have you ever had a PDF you have wanted to edit? Have you ever had a PDF you have had a difficulty converting to a Word document because whenever you try to convert it, it comes out very wrong, objects going all around the place? Well, today I'm going to be presenting to you some tools which are going to allow you to edit the PDF directly. You will not need to convert them to a Word document, but you're going to be easily able to enter into the PDF and edit them, all the elements in there. So let's get straight into the video. So the first tool we have is called PDF Gear, which is a free, fully featured AI-powered PDF editor. It's going to allow you to edit your PDFs, change colors, change fonts, change text, and all what you want to do on there, you'll be able to do it easily. So it's a piece of software that you can download at pdfgear.com and you install it. It's totally free. It's going to allow you to edit the PDFs with AI, mark up PDFs with ease, and kind of do all the customizations that you want to do inside your PDF. You can convert scanned PDFs to editable Word documents, insert and edit objects and images, organize and extract PDF pages, and do all sorts of manipulations in your PDF documents. And since it has this kind of AI feature, you can be sure that it's going to be doing the job way better than if it didn't have that feature. So definitely check this one out. So secondly, you have another tool which is smallpdf.com, which allows you to do all sorts of operations on PDF documents. So this website is kind of particular because it has a lot of tools. So if you come down here to the tools, you can have here a list of all the tools that are available to you on this particular website called Small PDF. You're going to be able to rotate your PDF, split your PDF, merge PDFs together, edit PDFs, and basically do all sorts of operation on PDF. So I definitely recommend that you check out this website first for all the operations you can perform on PDF documents. So it's quite amazing. Next up, we have Nitro. So Nitro is a piece of software that is going to allow you to manipulate your PDFs as well. This doesn't have AI features to the best of my knowledge, but it still does some amazing jobs with your PDF. So it's a piece of software. You can go ahead and download it. You'll be able to convert your Word documents to PDFs, PowerPoints to PDF, Excel to PDF, PDF to Word, and all sorts of operations on those documents there. So next up we have UPDF as well. It's another piece of software that you can download. It has a free version and a paid version as well, and then it's going to allow you those features to edit, modify. So this is an interesting tool. You should definitely check it out. Here are some options that are available. You have an AI assistant. You can edit PDF, read PDF, take it to the cloud, annotate your PDFs, and all the other options. So it just has way too many options for us to go through them. You can equally protect your PDFs and compress them if they're too large. So that's our fourth tool. It comes with so many options, so you should definitely check it out. I kind of like the design of this one. It has the free version, and here are the options which are available on the free version, and here's a paid plan, which is kind of expensive, but yeah, I guess it comes with a lot of features. So finally, we have our last tool, PDF Simply, which is PDF made simple in seconds, so you can easily convert and edit any type of documents easily. So here are the options for you to be able to, the options that the tools allows you to do. Edit your PDFs. I believe it's done online this time around. You can upload your documents online and it's going to be able to edit them straight there. You can equally create an account to track your different documents and so on and so forth. So there you have it. If you're trying to edit a PDF document, try to add information or remove information, you have these tools which are going to allow you to do just that quite easily and quite well. I hope this video has been useful to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.